Alright, today we're gonna go through and set up a natural blind on public land. Just using fallen timber without cutting anything down. Just use our natural surroundings. See how we do. Alright, let's go. Okay. Follow this trail all the way back. There.
Bobcat, coyote, which one? Oh no, that's hog.
No,
No, it's deer.
those are pads.
Those are deer.
Yeah, that's predator. That's not deer. Look at that. That's a cat.
Yeah,
Cat.
tiny cat.
Watch your face.
Ugh. He's roaring around.
Yeah.
Definitely gonna come to this trail.
This is a good predator trail right here.
It's a swivel. Pick it up. It's old.
Look at that.
Right, here's some bad teeth.
Look at that femur.
There's some bad teeth.
You can keep it if you want it.
It is dope. Hoping it was antlers.
Huh?
I was hoping it was antlers.
Oh yeah. I'd like to find me some sheds right now.
Yeah.
So this right here was the original road.
Oh, this is the road? Oh, it changed a lot.
See the concrete?
Yeah.
This was the original road back in when it was first developed.
No, this changed a lot.
Yeah, this is what happens when the woods takes it back after like 30 years. See all this? Got trees growing up out of the road now. Right. So right here is the south side of the property. And we're gonna take this fence line all the way down. Someone's blind. You see this tree right here? Look, somebody put an old tree stand in there, made out of wood. Look the camera. See it?
I can see.
That thing's old as hell. So this is the area that I want to put it. You got these two. You got three little creeks that come together. This one right here.
Yeah.
So they all come to this mouth right here. And then I know that I followed this trail out last time. It's a big hog area, so they're coming through here. So I think this is gonna be like a pretty good pinch point here. I just need to visually see hogs doing it. Like I've seen tracks, but so now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this freaking camera. Look how much higher that is.
It is a lot higher. 15 feet.
You would only need to go like 10 feet in that tree. It's like super high. I think it's too heavy. It's rot. We just gotta find another branch. There's one over there. You can walk through that, right? Here. This one doesn't look like it's rot. That one looks like it's about to snap. Just leave it. It's gonna snap. We just need to get like branches. There you go. Stack it up on top. There you go. Just do that a couple hundred times.
Shouldn't be too hard. We're gonna connect these two though, right?
I think we just might put the blind up in here. You know?
Okay.
Leave this open.
They can
So
still
at least we have a back wall so like things can't see us as well.
kind of got a hallway going right now.
Yeah, it's a path for sure. Kind of neat.
They might use it.
Block this off. We only have one entrance.
I mean, we could. There's enough branches around.
And you can see that we got 3 walls here. We got the front wall, we got this side wall, and I got this back wall here. And there's only one entrance point. So right now we're sitting in probably, I would say 5 by 15 feet. So it's gonna be, we'll put a ground blind in here, or we can put just camo up. But we're at an elevation on a hill. So if you look straight down right here, this is where the hogs are going to be coming. They're going to be coming from the left, right here, coming through. And you see where all these branches are right here? We plugged this up. This used to be a path. Now they're going to have to go around this tree. And I have a trail camera right there on that tree to see the activity. What's cool is like when we come in through the woods, we're going to be coming through, and we'll come around and we can come up through this hill and be undetected by deer, hogs, and anything that's out here. So this is good for today. We're gonna let the animals get used to the new scene and do this for a couple weeks. Check the trail camera. Don't do any activity here. Just get them acclimated to it, and then we're gonna come in here and try to kill some hogs. Hopefully we can get some deer this year too. This is public land. This is actually have to have permission on this public land to hunt deer, so we'll see what's if we get that permission. But we can hunt hogs and do some turkey, so see what we got.
Pretty impressive. Here, thorns all in there. We blocked off this whole pathway because we noticed that they were coming through here. So now they're gonna have to come through over here. So where we're gonna be right here, shooting them down here. So, and then this is our view. Oh, you can see them over there. Hopefully they come through over here and like all around here. So we're just gonna sit here and bow them. So hopefully it works. Thank you guys for watching.
You put that up there?
Yeah. That one thorn, yeah.
This one thorn right here.
Yeah.
Look at the camera. It's one thorn. This is the reason we're coming all the way back to this trail camera.
Yeah.